Okay, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this hair tutorial. Right here, I'm just pulling some baby hairs that I want out. And because my baby hairs are so long, I just wanted to trim them up a bit just to give them a little bit of style. What I'm going to be doing right now is just braiding my hair down. Since my hair is so short, I know that if I just leave it at the ends, it will come unraveled. So at the ends, I'm just putting a rubber band. I didn't want to put a rubber band at the beginning, like some people do for shorter hair, because it just causes a lot of tension and it's just way too tight. So I just decided to braid my hair down and then add the rubber bands at the ends. So right here, I'm just going to be showing you how I do install these. These are crochet locks. I will also be leaving how many locks I have, how many packs I used, what colors I used. All the information will be in the description box. But right here, I'm just taking a crochet needle, pulling the crochet lock through, opening the hole and pulling my natural hair through that hole, then just pulling it tight. Then I'm going to unravel that lock and then insert my real hair there. But before that, I'm going to extend this lock. So I'm going to take another crochet piece. I'm going to stick the end of it through it and tie a knot basically. Okay, so after creating my lock, I'm going to take some spring twist hair and I'm going to part it in half. And what I'm going to do is to get that crochet look at the root away, I'm going to basically wrap spring twist hair around the root and then wrap it all the way down up until that second lock starts, just so, you know, those two don't come unraveled of where I put that knot for both of them to connect and extend. Once I get down to the bottom and just used up all that spring twist hair, I'm going to create a knot at the end just so it won't come unraveled. And then I'm just going to keep wrapping that little piece around until I don't have any more. Now, while I was doing this, I realized there was an easier way to connect the two locks. So I separated the ends of the first lock, and then I took a second lock and opened the hole at the beginning of that lock and inserted one of the pieces and created a knot. And I double tied it around it. And this was much easier than the first way that I tried to connect it.
Your bitches, we gon' party all week. Know you got a man, girl, your secret safe with me. All my niggas shooters, so you know they don't sleep. Girl, you know I keep it lit, leave you with a hangover. Shake your ass and show your titties, you know why you came over. You can look in my eyes and tell you always on my mind.
And I know some people don't like doing baby hairs for whatever reason. This is just my preference. I just decided to cut it because that's just how I like mine to be. I just like to add a little extra hair so they can look thicker. I like to leave mine out before I braid, just so that I don't have to wait like weeks for it to get old and then start seeing hairs and then laying them down. I like to lay them right away. So I just go ahead and take them out before I braid.
Shooter, so you know they don't sleep. Girl, you know I keep it lit, leave you with a hangover. Shake your ass and show your titties, you know why you came over. You can look in my eyes and tell